Hello everyone. Now in this video I am going to tell you about the types of bail in India. So usually there are four types of bail under Indian Penal Code or Civil Procedural Code that an individual may apply on the stage of the associated criminal cases. The first one is regular bail. What is regular bail? Regular bail can be granted to a person who has already been arrested and kept in police custody. A person can file a bail application for regular bail under section 437 and 439 of the CRPC. Now moving towards the next bail, that is interceptory bail. So what is interceptory bail? Under section 438 of CRPC, any individual who discerns that he may be tried for a non-bailable offences can apply for an interceptory or advance bail application. The application shall be made to the higher court of session or session court where the crime is alleged to be committed. A bail under the section is bail before the arrest, and the police can't arrest an individual if the court has granted interceptory bail. According to Sushila Agarwal and others versus State and others, the Supreme Court of India clarified that interceptory bail extends to the end of the trial and is not a fixed duration. Interim bail. Now, this is the third type of a bail. So, as the name suggests, this type of bail is granted temporarily. Means this is a temporary bail. The interim bail is granted to the accused before the hearing. For a regular or interceptory bail grant, the grant is primarily because furnishing documents from the lower court to the high court takes time. However, the interim bail is concluded during the bail hearing. Next bail is default bail. The kind of bail procedure differ from the bail granted under the section mentioned above. Default bail is granted on the default of the police or investigating agency to file its report complaint within the prescribed period for an offence wherein arrest can be made without a warrant. Section 57 of the CRPC commands that the police officer shall not detain the accused for more than 24 hours if the investigation is not concluded and the charge sheet is not fixed within these 24 hours. Section 167 grants the accused the right to a statutory or default bail. That's it for today. Thank you.